If your YouTube channel isn't growing as fast as you want, you might be making one of these 5 mistakes that are secretly killing your growth. But don't worry, I will show you how to fix them so your next video could actually go viral. Hey everyone, welcome back to Earn Smart with Sami Chacha. If your YouTube channel isn't growing as fast as you want, you might be making one of these 5 mistakes that are secretly killing your growth. But don't worry, I will show you how to fix them so your next video could actually go viral. Number 1, inconsistent posting schedule, right? Most creators post randomly, maybe once this week, then skip 2 weeks. But YouTube rewards consistency. When you post on a schedule, your audience knows when to expect your content, and YouTube starts trusting your upload pattern. Number 2, poor click-through rate .ctr. Your content might be amazing, but if your title and thumbnail don't make people click, your video will never take off. Use curiosity and emotion in your titles. Example, instead of YouTube tips for beginners, say why your YouTube videos get 0 views and how to fix it.
3, weak hook in the first 10 seconds. If your viewers drop off in the first 10 seconds, YouTube will stop recommending your video.
Number 4 is not watching your analytic. Too many creators ignore their analytics. That's like flying blind. Your analytics tell you what's working and what's not. If you post about everything from it, travel today, motivation tomorrow, tech next week, YouTube doesn't know who to recommend your videos. Pick one niche, Pranit. For example, YouTube growth tips or AI tools for creators.
YouTube tips for beginners.
Start with a strong hook. Ask a question, make a bold claim, or tease the value. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to Earn Smart with Sami Chacha, and turn on the bell icon to get notifications.